Right, ladies and gentlemen, these are four rather nice sort of retro-y sort of costume jewellery items. The first is, I think it's probably sort of a set of worry beads, and they do they have an almost sort of coral-like look, but I suspect they're in some very dense type of synthetic material, but they're nicely sort of knotted, and they tighten up into a bracelet if you like, but you can also use them as sort of worry beads. They're the cheapest and most cheerful things here. Then there's this rather sort of slinky, classy, jointed necklace which forms into any shape you like. So you can have it round your neck in a sort of zigzaggy, snake-like pattern. A lovely sort of buttercuppy sort of gold thing, but as you can see, it can almost be like a sort of sculpture. It's got thousands of individual, or hundreds of individual joints on it, and it forms into a sort of slinky, snake-like item. Then we have this nice, long, on a sort of fabric, sort of lace type string, series of rather sort of Venetian-looking glass beads. They have a slightly lustery look to them, and almost like sort of barley sugar sort of sweets, but they're different textures of glass with gold gilt cores with purpley touches. You can't really see the quality of them here, but they're high quality, longish string of glass beads. And the last thing, which I think is actually quite sort of classy, is possibly, I don't know, sort of 70s retro even. It has had some use. It's very tightly knotted, corded string which fattens out into these. They look almost like ore, but in fact they're sort of cast chunks of what looks like sort of aluminium of some type. So this sort of rather sort of tooth-like aluminium group of sort of jewels, as it were, on this rather sort of torque-like knotted fabric, very densely wound fabric band, okay, with this simple fastening at the top. So there are four nice items there scattered around now, all very cheap and cheerful as to starting price. Thanks so much indeed. Bye.